Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from HowLogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove your authenticator from Microsoft account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove your authenticator from Microsoft account, you just simply have to open your Microsoft account into any of the browser into your phone. Then after opening your account section, you can see something like this page. You just simply have to tap into these three bars at the top left side. Just simply tap into that and then tap into this security option. Then after going into the security section, you'll get to see options into here. Now you just simply have to tap into this manage how I sign in option. And after that, you will get to see all of the sign in options in here. In order to remove authenticator, you just simply have to choose this send sign in notification option. And after that, you will get to see this remove option into here. You just simply have to tap into this remove option, and after that tap into remove again in order to confirm. This way you can easily remove your Microsoft Authenticator from your Microsoft account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.